3336 Adelante Street, located in the premier master plan community of La Floresta in Brea. This home is truly model perfect. It has upgraded granite countertops, upgraded cabinetry, large spacious great room, engineered hardwood floors, an amazing California room, and much more. This home features 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, is also located within walking distance of Whole Foods, as well as award-winning restaurants. This home won't last long and it's a perfect place to call home.